Okay, so these are all of my single shadows, eye primers, eye glitter, pigment, etc., cream shadows. Everything's kind of all in one. I've got some more over here. I'm going to be pretty cutthroat. I'd like this all to fit in like 2 of these, if not less. This is going to be difficult. I know that I can do it though. Let's just go ahead and get into it. So let's start over here. This NYX White Eye Primer. There we go. NYX eyeshadow base in white is amazing for like glitter or shimmers that you really want to pop. I use it all the time. It's really, really emollient, but it works really well for that. It's really sticky. And then another favorite of mine is the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot Keeping and the Paint Pot in Indian Wood. Those were there because I use them all the time. The MAC Pigment and Tan I literally used today on my eyes, so definitely keeping. And I also love Vanilla. So those are going to stay. Now on to the harder parts. So I have these CoverFX kind of glitter things. These are really, really pretty. I know that I love the one in Celestial. It's a really pretty kind of creamy white. And I just pat it onto the lid when I wear it. And then what's the other shade I really like? Is this it? This is, oh, maybe it was Magic that I like. Oh, that's more of a pinky tone. I know this purplish one I know I can get rid of. And then this one's a little more bronzy. It's called Moonstone. I probably won't wear Moonstone as much, so that one can go. Gosh, do I really need both? They're both so pretty. I think I might keep both. These are newer to me, so I don't feel too bad keeping them. The Stila one in Jezebel is newer to me as well, and I mean, oh my gosh. It's unbelievable. So definitely keeping that too. These are exciting still. You know what I mean? And so I want to reach from this tiny Stila one I'm going to pass on. These ColourPop ones were just okay. I feel like there was one I really liked though. These are their Supernova Shadows. It was either this one or this red one. This one's Walk of Fame. See, these are so much chunkier than the beautiful Stila ones. So it's like, you know. Maybe it was this red one here. This is in Firecracker. There was one that, maybe? That might have been it. What's this one? Hard to impress. I just don't really care about any of these. I don't think I need to keep any of them. Those can go. This Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit one, I actually just used in a Get Ready With Me kind of a thing. It's very similar to that CoverFX one. Actually, it's very, very similar. But it's limited edition. I really liked it. I don't need both, so I'm going to pass this on. It is really good, though. So if you're interested, I wouldn't turn my nose up at it because it is actually really nice. I've got all of these little pencil type things, and I never reach for any of them. My NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in white, I don't use because I use this NYX one now. And the rest of them, I never use. I'm going to pass them all on. Woo! This one I'd been trying out, but it doesn't pack as much of a punch as I'd wanted. It's this Laura Mercier Caviar Eye Stick in Rose Gold. It just doesn't do much, so I'm going to pass it on. These Milk makeup things have seen better days. Does this have a date on it? Had these for a little while. It does not. I feel like I don't reach for these as much now that I have these ones with the doe foot. They're just so much easier to apply, you know what I mean? I'm going to get rid of this darker one. After Party, these are all so pretty. I think I'm just going to keep After Party and pass on the other two. I don't think I need all of them. This e.l.f. one is really dried up. That can go. This purple one I'm never going to use. These Glazen eyeglasses really are amazing, but my favorite is Icing, so I'm going to pass on the Moonshine one. This Marsk thing is gorgeous, but I never use it, so it needs to go. This Wet n Wild Single Shadow in Brule, I swear to you, I only opened like a month or two ago, and it's already that far gone. It is an amazing single shadow. I use it every day to just blend everything together. So, looking at my primers here, I'm just going to pick out a few favorites and get rid of the rest, because I just don't need them. I have a lot of favorites. I really like these two, the Smashbox and the NARS. The Smashbox one is more white. The NARS is kind of more translucent, but I really like both. The ULTA Matte Eye Primer is also a favorite. I really like this Catrice Prime and Fine Brightening one. And then I think I had these. The Shadow Insurance is pretty old. I think Urban Decay I'm going to keep. The Shadow Insurance is pretty old. It can go. And the rest of these, honestly, I just didn't really care about. These Physicians Formula ones were terrible. Oh, the Glitter Primer I do think I'm going to keep. That's a newer addition to my collection. This Milani one's super old. The Flower one was actually decent, but I don't feel like I need it. CoverGirl one was just okay. Pretty Vulgar was, actually that was pretty good. I don't need that many though, so I think I'm going to keep it, or sorry, get rid of it and pass on the Physicians Formula ones too. All of these ColourPop ones I've had for this long and I have not felt the need to open, so those are all going to go. I don't deserve to keep them. Now these ColourPop ones are open and I do want to keep a couple because these are so quick and easy to throw on the lid. Birthday Cake is so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that. So I'm definitely keeping Birthday Cake. It's more of a, I like lay them out so it's a little easier to see. This one in Birthday Girl is also pretty. It's a little bit more golden tone instead of pink. So I love both of those. This one in Ritz is so pretty. These are just so stunning. I think I can get rid of those. Get rid of those. This one in Heine is really pretty too. That purple one can go. This matte one I actually really did like, so I'm going to keep that for now and try to use it some more. And then this golden one is in Fluffy. It might be a little too golden. It looks a little dried out, so pass that one on. All right, flipping her around here. This Serena Tarantino thing I've had for so long. 12 months. I've probably had it for 5 years. I'm not, maybe even 6. I've had it for far too long. It's gorgeous, but it's time. I don't even think that is that brand even around anymore. These Infallible metallic paints are gorgeous. Let me think about those. I have the L'Oreal Infallible one. It's the same as the MAC one. And I've already talked about it in dupes. I don't need both. And if they're going to go bad, I might as well keep the one I spent more money on. That's kind of my logic if they're the same. These are all so old. I don't care about the Smashbox one. These L'Oreal singles were actually really nice. Do I really need them? Oh, this NARS Duo in Isolde I really like. So many of these. This is crazy. All right, this Black Panther, this matte black and Panther I'm going to keep because it'd be great for traveling. The rest of the colors I don't think I really need to keep. I might hold on to Nutty and see if I can get some use out of that because it's a really pretty color and it looks really pretty all over the lid then blended, so I'm going to keep that. These colors were nice. I think this was one of my favorites just to put all over the lid. What's this one? That one's more yellow. I'm going to keep those two and pass those on. Out of these, I think I'm going to pass them all on. These are really, really nice, but I don't find myself reaching for them. And then this Maybelline Single Shadow is gorgeous. I'm going to keep. That's not bad. That's all I'm keeping. Oh my gosh. And I do have, by the way, other ones. These I've got up on my vanity. I'm definitely keeping. I guess I can put them with it. I really like these Maybelline Single Shadows, so I'm keeping all of those. And you know what? With that in mind, maybe I don't need to keep these L'Oreal ones. I'm going to pass the L'Oreal ones on. They're a little older anyway. Everything I'm keeping, it looks like a lot more because I just kind of spread everything out, you know, so I can actually see it. What a concept. I can see all of the colors. And then this is all that I'm getting rid of. That is a great feeling. I'm certainly keeping a lot less. I love that I can actually see what I have. And yeah, I feel pretty good about this. If you like declutters like this, definitely check out my other ones where I've been just as cutthroat, if not more. Some of them I've gotten rid of like 90% of my collection. It's crazy. But it's a great feeling, so definitely check those out. I hope you'll subscribe and hit that notification bell before you leave because I'll be doing a lot more declutters just like this, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.